Waa Gwaan guys, it's Shari to Japan and welcome back to my channel where I'll be showing you how I make my version of a Japanese Obento. If you watched my first video, then you probably know what time it is. I'm going to retry making Tamagoyaki. This time I'm making Dashimaki Tamagoyaki. I started by making a combination of dashi, sugar, shoyu, and mirin. Stir until sugar is completely dissolved. As usual, I like to prepare my eggs in my measuring cup. So here I am whisking 3 eggs before adding in my liquid mixture. For frying, I prepared some oil soaked in a paper towel, and once my pot was hot enough, then I poured in my eggs. As you can see, the mixture is very liquidy compared to the first one, which made the eggs way softer and difficult to fold. So I had to use my tongue and spatula for extra help. This was very difficult, but I'm so happy I tried it again because it was worth it. The end result was so good, I was super surprised, and I think I'll be making this very often. This Tamagoyaki is the perfect blend of savory and sweet, but you can always adjust the sweetness if you prefer this to be more on the savory side. This next one is called Utanikuno Yasai Maki, which is pork rolled or filled with vegetables. First, I lightly seasoned with salt and pepper. Then I chose to use 3 types of vegetables: sliced onion, carrot, and spinach. Now it's time to add the filling and start rolling. I don't know if you noticed, but it was actually my first time making this recipe. Can you believe? And there you have it, one nice perfect roll. After lightly dusting with some seasoned flour, I like to fry it in a little bit of butter and oil. Once it was nicely browned, I simmered it in a combination of water, cooking sake, mirin, and dashi. If you like this video, please hit like and leave a comment down below. Remember to subscribe to get notified whenever I post a new video and follow me on Instagram. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!